Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Trishna. I make videos on beauty, travel, lifestyle, fashion, almost everything. So if this is your interest area, you need to subscribe right now. And if you love lipstick as much as I do, you would love this video. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get on the video and see which is this lipstick. So today we are trying out the Peri Pera's Ink Velvet lipstick, and this is in shade 03, which is called red only. It stays true to its name, which is ink velvet, as it has the shape of an ink bottle, which you can see as with the dropper. This is not a dropper though, it's a wand, and we're gonna quickly see how the shade looks. The packaging color is very much similar to the shade that is inside the bottle, so I've opted for the shade 03. Now let's swatch it together. I'm gonna swatch it on my hands first to show you the color. The formula on the hand feels very lightweight, it doesn't feel very heavy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch it on my lips as well. So as you can see, this is the color payoff. This is just one swipe of the lipstick. Also, it glides really smoothly on the lips, and it is extremely like a feathery kind of a lipstick, and it's pretty versatile is what I feel. But let's quickly get into the pros and cons of this lipstick. There are lots of pros about this lipstick. The first thing would definitely be the wand. I really like how the wand is. If you see, it is very precise. If you are someone who doesn't love to line your lips as much as I do, like I don't really line my lips on a regular basis, you can very easily just outline your lips with this particular wand, and it's very easy to give the shape without actually going out and about. Apart from that, I really love the way the feel of the lipstick is. It's nice, it's easy to use. It's like a perfect balance between matte as well as a velvety finish that it gives. And of course, the color payoff is pretty amazing. It's a nice bold color. If I talk about the durability of the lipstick, this is anything between 3 to 4 hours. I don't think it would stay more than that. This is also a multi-purpose lipstick. This can also be used as your tint, like on your cheeks. So what I like to do is I take very little on the back of my hand, just on my fingers, and then directly dab it on the cheeks. You can use this as a multi-purpose product as it is very versatile. But every lipstick has its own cons as well. So if I talk about the cons, even though it's a velvet matte lipstick, it takes a lot of time to dry up. This was swatched way before I applied this, and you can still see the color does bleed a little. It is not very transfer proof. Yes, velvet matte lipsticks do transfer a little, but this one takes a lot of time to dry up, so you can't go full in with the lipstick. You might have to remove the excess and then work it out. So you cannot use this as a proper lipstick. This has to be worked with very little of it, or else you will just have a blob of lipstick which will not look good. So that is one con I feel. And also, once it dries up, it kind of settles in the cracks. So if you have dry lips, this would be little difficult to work with. I also have dry lips, but I have really exfoliated and applied a thick lip balm before going in with the lipstick, so my lips hasn't dried really. Once it dries, your lipstick might settle in the cracks, and that would give a very shabby looking lipstick look. So that is one of the cons which I feel. But overall, if I have to rate this lipstick, I would rate this product a 8 on 10. 2 points I'm deducting only for this not drying quickly, even though it being a nice velvety matte, and of course it being settled in the cracks of the lips. Apart from that, this is priced at around 450. The shade that I have swatched is 03 red only. I'm not very sure if this shade is available anymore, because I tried searching on Macaron, which is the official partner. It shows that it's discontinued, but I guess this is available on Amazon, so you can check it out over there. There are 6 more shades available. Apart from this, there is one shade which I really want to try, which is called Good Brick. I would probably purchase that particular shade maybe in the future and review it, but as of now, this is the shade. And I hope you like this video. If you've liked this video, please do check out the previous videos as well. And if you're yet not following me on all the social medias, you can just check out in the description box below. And till the time I come back, please do take care of yourself and miss me.